This spread was pulled for one person, and it's you. One person just felt those words go straight through their body. That's you. This is not random. This is not coincidence. The cards were shuffled with intention, and they landed exactly this way for you. The moment you opened this video, the universe whispered your name. Maybe you got chills. Maybe your breath caught. Maybe your phone felt heavier in your hand. Stay, don't turn it off. This is your reading. Breathe slow. Let it sink in. Feel your body relax into the moment. Feel the noise in your mind quiet down. Feel your heartbeat slow just enough to really hear every word. This spread was not pulled by accident. It was pulled for you. Someone watching is already thinking, how is this so accurate? The cards knew. The universe knew. God knew. You were ready. You were hungry. You were open enough to receive this message. Money is moving toward you. Flow is starting. Winds that felt far away are now close enough to touch. This is your confirmation. This spread is yours. We are asking one powerful question together. Why were these exact cards pulled for you right now? What is the message? What proof is in the spread that abundance is already on its way to you? Deck is in my hands, shuffling slowly with pure intention. Every card is speaking directly to you. The one person this was pulled for. 5 cards drawn just for you. First card, past. Energy that was holding you back. 5 of Pentacles. Reverse said cold, empty. Money felt like it was always on the other side of a wall. You saw it flow for others, but never for you. You worked, you hoped, you tried everything, still felt left outside in the cold. But reversed, this card says the wall is cracking. The scarcity story is ending. The energy has already started reversing. You survived that cold season. You learned the lessons. Now the energy turns toward you. Second card. What is happening inside you right now? Achi of Pentacles. A golden coin is being placed directly into your open palm from above. This is not hope. This is real substance. A powerful seed. An opportunity. A notification. An idea that pays. A payment that lands. Something tangible is being given to you in this exact moment. You've felt it already. Maybe your phone buzzed when no message came. Maybe a random thought hit hard. Maybe your gut said, look now. That was the ace. The universe is handing you the seed of abundance. Your only job is to plant it. Third card. What will trigger your next big movement? Wheel of Fortune. Wheel is turning. Cycles are changing. Fate is stepping in. What was stuck becomes unstuck. What was slow becomes fast. Luck, destiny, karma, it is turning in your favor. The trigger is coming. It could be one decision, one message, one unexpected event. But when it hits, everything accelerates. The wheel does not ask permission. You are on the upward swing. The cards were pulled for you to tell you. It's moving. Fourth card. How the money arrives. Knight of Pentacles. Writer. No drama. No shortcuts, just consistent forward motion. Money comes through the work and seeds you have already planted. Content payout, affiliate earnings, subscription growth, small trade win, forgotten link that suddenly pays. Knight is slow but unstoppable. Once he starts moving, he does not stop. You already know which app, wallet, or platform this money is heading toward. The cards are confirming. It's real. It's yours. It's close. Fifth card, where this ultimately leads you. 10 of Pentacles. Empire. Legacy. Real security you can touch and feel. Money that works for you instead of you working for money. Freedom to live on your own terms. Not just one lucky win. A strong, growing foundation you can build upon and even share. The 10 of Pentacles shows long-term abundance, stability, and enjoyment. The cards were pulled for you because the story ends with you winning and thriving. Proof in the full spread. 5 Rev scarcity reversed gives ace seed given gives wheel fate turns. Gives knight steady rival gives 10 empire secured. This spread was pulled for one person. And it's you. Full tie-in. Past lack and cold energy has cracked open gives. A golden seed is placed in your hand right now gives. The wheel of fate begins to turn in your favor gives steady money rides in gives. A powerful empire foundation is being built. The cards were not pulled by accident. They were pulled for you because you are ready. The path is clear, and your time for abundance has arrived. What does this spread was pulled for you energy feels like right now? Random notifications suddenly feel meaningful and heavy. Old ideas you forgot about suddenly feel electric and urgent. Your gut whispers check that app again and you find something waiting. Thoughts about money appear without fear, only calm certainty. Dreams show money symbols, numbers, or winning moments that feel real when you wake up. Extended shocking signs money is coming. Pay close attention. Your phone vibrates or lights up. When you think about money, you think about money and an app refreshes or opens by itself. Dreams show cash falling, notifications, or big wins. Repeating numbers appear strongly. 888, 1111, 555. Small unexpected refunds, tips, or bonuses show up. Your gut clearly says today or tomorrow. An old idea, trade, or link suddenly starts paying. Deep feeling of it's already done before you see proof. Synchronicities double or triple number plus money symbol in same hour. Calm, unshakable peace that this is finally happening. Vivid dreams about wealth that leave you energized when you wake. App or notification glitches feel like direct messages from above. No more anxiety or desperation, only quiet knowing. The universe sends little confirmations every few hours. Song, number, memory. The actual win arrives the moment you fully detach and trust. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice to lock this abundance in. Take one high leverage action every single day. Post content, set up a trade, send one outreach message. Stop emotional chasing, stay cold and detached. The universe delivers faster when you release desperation. Affirm 3 times a day. This spread was pulled for me. Money is coming perfectly. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Log every sign in your notes app, screenshot numbers. Write down gut feelings. Proof builds belief fast. Keep the cold mindset. Hungry for more. Grateful for what you have. Proud but never arrogant. No fear. No doubt. Innovate daily. Test one new thing tool. Angle. Post style. Detach from the outcome. Celebrate every tiny win silently. Then immediately push for the next level. Reminders. Parkinson's law compressed time. No water after 8 p.m. Cut sugar and junk. Brush teeth twice. No touching pimples. Affirmations. Say it out loud 3 times. This spread was pulled for me. Money is coming. I stay detached, hungry, aligned. Everything flows perfectly. So it is. If this hit deep in your soul, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment this spread is for me to claim it. Drop your sign or what you're manifesting below. Thanks for staying until the end. The cards were pulled for you for a reason. Use every single second wisely. Push harder.